In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales funnel on systeme.io for digital products. This step-by-step guide will lead you through the process of building your own digital sales funnel, ensuring you have everything in place to effectively market and sell your digital products. To begin, make sure you have access to your systeme.io account. Navigate to the login page and enter your email and password. Once you've filled out your credentials, click on the Sign In button to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, head over to the website section on your dashboard. You'll find this by either clicking the link directly or navigating through your dashboard's menu. After reaching the website section, you will want to click on Sales Funnels to get started on creating your funnel. Here you'll see an option to create a new funnel, so go ahead and click on Create. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your funnel. Choose a name that reflects the purpose or goal of your funnel, as this will help keep your projects organized. Next, you need to specify the type of project you're creating. Click on Sell to indicate that you are setting up a funnel for selling digital products. Now it's time to set up the currency. Click on the currency field and choose your preferred option from the list provided. Make sure to save your settings by clicking Save before you proceed. With your new funnel created, let's dive into the details. Click on the name of the funnel you just set up to continue. Here you'll be taken to a new page where you can start customizing your funnel. You'll want to select a template that aligns with your business and marketing strategy. Click Select Template to choose one from the gallery. Next, it's time to specify the type of offer you are going to set up. Click on Digital Product as your offer type to ensure the system knows exactly what you're offering. To add your digital product into the funnel, click on the plus button, which allows you to choose your specific product. Now it's important to set up the pricing for your product. Click on a price plan type that suits your business model. There are various plans you can choose from, but for this example, we'll go with subscription. Select the subscription option that best matches your pricing strategy. One last check before you finalize everything. Click on the price plan area and ensure that everything is as you've planned. Here I'll select ebooking as an example, which represents a particular digital product that we'll offer through this funnel. Finalize the setup by clicking Save. Your sales funnel is now complete and ready for action. These steps will help maximize your potential in selling digital products through an organized and strategic sales funnel approach, right here on systeme.io. As always, good luck with your endeavors, and let us know how it goes.